Ah, Lord Vader, the band has just finished their first set and is preparing to...
You have failed me for the last time, concertmaster. First violin, Viet. Have the band begin the second set with a medium-tempo rhythm changes in E-flat. The groove should be swinging, light, and danceable. Spare me your cleverness. Place tritone substitutions in the bridge and include an ascending melodic motif so the dancers know when the song is ending. You are in command now, concertmaster Viet.